So we did have this Vicks filter-free cool mist humidifier. So, I'm not sure guys. Open namin. Tingnan natin kung ano yung itsura. What is that?
Bubble.
How much water does it take?
Need to remove this thing though.
Where's the instructions at? Give it back to
The
me.
instruction. And then there's
That's it.
there's the pads. And then the click up for that. Ayan. So lalagyan lang natin siya ang lang. Lalagyan ng water.
There we go.
Here. There.
Place humidifier on firm level. 15 centimeters away from the wall.
So,
Remove the water. Fucking big vapor up and it'll solve it.
so there's instructions
Here we go. Come on, let's go.
on how to refill.
Take the pack. You got the pack.
Jimmy, this one we removed from the top. So ito ang lalagyan natin ng water. So we will open this guys. Open lang natin. So since ayan, so may naka-lock and lock. So we will just put the water in. We will put water. So ang capacity niya ay nasa 3.8 liters. So i-full lang natin. Dapat cold water daw ang ilalagay. Not warm. Kukunan lang natin. Ayan. And then let's put this. Lock it up. Yeah. So now we will bring it to the. Let's bring it. Oof. Hard. Here. Ano ba ito? Where is the hole?
Give me yours.
Where is the hole? There?
Yeah, turn it. There. There we go.
There. And then I will put this.
And inside, vent. Right there. That's where the.
It's only one piece, guys.
Yep.
There. Like a
Yeah.
fabric.
Has the Vicks smell.
This inside out there. It's like a USB.
Is it?
Yeah.
Okay. All right. You want to do the honors? Let's turn this puppet on.
Ooh.
Let's jack. Oh yeah.
You have to
Oh,
put
it's
it.
smoking.
That's smoking. Let's see what's the smell of it.
You like that? Rocka, smell that. Come here.
Here.
You smell the rock?
Use AI to
Oh.
trick you by making faces of your friends and family members.
Oh,
School? School? So ayan guys. We bought this kasi may mga ubot sipon. So maybe it's dry here in this bedroom. So you wanna smell it, Lutch?
Let's say bye.
Mm.